what the? Hey, your parking brake handle on your 2015 Ram 1500 is broken, and I think that we should fix it. So the first step is to remove this panel above the emergency brake cover, like so, and notice that there's 4 clips and 4 holes. Now that the panel's removed, you can see where it's broken, here and here. So the next thing is to get this rod snapped out of this piece. It's quite tricky. You might even need a tool to do it. I've managed to get it off. And then take away the broken piece. But let's not forget to remove these. And they just come right off. Like so. This is the replacement part number. I'm going to take the new car part out of the package. It's 1 piece. And I'm going to head on over. So where this bar is here, I'm just going to clip this on like so. And then reach underneath. Pull the rod. Tilt this down. Put the rod into the hole. It is possible on the first try. And then snap the clip onto the rod, and that part is done. Then I'm gonna grab the panel that I removed earlier, the 4 holes, align everything, and pop that right back in, and then we're gonna test it. So I'm going to press the emergency brake, take the handle, release the parking brake. Ta-da! My work here is done. You're welcome.